Hi, this is Sridhar Rasam here from Wrightberg Consulting. Welcome. This short video is all about what this one-day workshop from Wrightberg can add value to you, and who are the typical audience and what benefit they can get. It is a short video. Okay, so we conduct one-day workshops for MSME in India, and some qualification is there to be benefited from this particular workshop. At least the revenue should be more than $3 million or 25 crores, and at least a paid in-house staff of 20 members, and the history of 3 years company data, and there is having either growth or flat business. That's okay, because we could look at holistically the complete business and do consulting. So in this this link to this particular document will be given below. When you click on opt-in, you will get this. So the various things that are there is like a menu a la carte. You can choose what is required for you, and you can choose at least 4 items for the one-day workshop, 2 in the pre-noon and post-lunch another 2. So 4 workshops can be conducted. So operation audit, these terminologies are self-evident, and we tailor, we have a discussion, we collect the data, the process works in a one-day workshop, and then we give you the timelines. We will close it with giving all the documents with our own research, with our own strategies, and with our solutions that would resonate with you. We will send that, and then we will have another discussion with that solution, and then we close. So typically it is a 3-step process: one-day workshop, followed by consulting assignment, followed by the closure, and the timelines we discuss and agree. Okay, so this is a tailored package for your company, solving your problems with your priorities. Okay, that's what I would like to tell. And the items, typically we came out with a list of 10 things: operational audit, strategic planning workshops, right? I mean, this is a facilitated sessions where key stakeholders will be there, collaborate, craft the business strategic objectives and initiatives. So we could facilitate this. Okay, this is one assignment, so we can discuss whether there is a need for such thing. That's one of the sessions. Okay, and the other thing is market and competitor analysis. We don't do it. This could be an offline session, because there are a lot of research that is required. So we can take this as an assignment. And then financial forecasting, budgeting. So our consultants would work with the financial models and see what is working for you, and is there any changes that they can recommend, and solve some problems. Even funding issues, we could look at it, secured, unsecured, and if you are in technology, there is a scalable funding, and Series A, Series B, whatever it is, right? I mean, it's an assignment, consulting assignment. And change management process, right? I mean, this is okay, because most of the things are changing with the AI coming in, so people are really struggling with unskilled labor, we call it, right? Professionals from the pre-COVID era. So there is a change management. It's a tough thing, emotional thing for the founders and the CEOs. Gets always a least priority. So we would help you in a structured way, analyze take all the inputs, and then we propose initiatives, so that new processes and new systems or new structures or new teams, okay, without disrupting the current revenues and current activities. Then talent and leadership is completely HR intervention. We have strengths finding, and we have the builder's profile. We do believe in very clearly, this is one of our flagship products. It can run up to 1 year for total transformation. We believe in the talents have to be nurtured and double, triple, quadruple, and where there is no talents in a particular role, they need to complement with the complementing talents and identify them for the specific output of your company. And this is a high-end consulting. We actually bring in, we have tie-up with Gallup as well, and then we bring in this consulting assignment, so that your productivity could double, triple, based on the type of the talent currently you have. So we are going to talk about this in our one-day workshop and give more details. And then there is something called the technology and digital transformation advisory that we give, and also consulting assignments based on what needs to be done for lead generation machines, and if it's a B2B appointment setting machines. So most of the things in our consultancy is to see how you can reduce your cost by half or even by 70%. That would be our focus, so that the remaining budget can be used more productively, tailoring to the needs of technology growth, and bring this technology angle of AI and ML and generative AI into your company. So that's very important angle. This is technology and digital technology transformative advisory. Actually, we make these two mandatory. Basically, if I have to say from our side, even though you don't prioritize, we say that you need to take these two, because technology landscape is really changing outside, and also this is the most neglected one in our daily core of operations. So these two are we recommend as any business, we are sure are going to benefit, and productivity can be doubled or tripled using these two interventions. And then this is normal stuff, right? Performance metrics and KPI will review what is working, what is not working, and then what amount of optimization can be done, and how we can relook at your KPI for data driven decision making, basically. And then if we have B2C customers, then we have customer experience as becomes very important. And also any business has to scale, and any sustainable business, they have to invite venture capitalists or other funders, or to go to IPO, right? So stakeholder communication becomes a fundamental step that becomes absolutely super important for the founders. And we are going to talk about specific strategies that you can implement and create assets, so that your institute or your company, your organization becomes a darling to the investors, not only for product side, because people love the other people. I mean, they do business with the people whose mindsets gel. I mean, whatever may be the financial return, but you should enjoy working with people, especially the investors. So the communication becomes absolutely important, and then we are going to bring in these interventions. Okay, as a recap, there are 10 things, and then we say technology and talent are we suggest that these are very important. So it could be 20-member company or 20,000 company. Most of these things are relevant. So you and your board can select what works for you, and what you have to do is just fill up the contact form that is there on the website link below, and one of our representatives will be calling back. And this is Sridhar Isam, founder, Wrightberg from UK, and having a presence in India. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.